हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, assistant professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking. Today topic is function of Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India is central India's central bank, also known as banker bank. It is apex body of banking system in India. The Reserve Bank of India control monetary and other banking policy of the Indian government. The Reserve Bank of India was established on April 1st, 1935 in accordance with the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The Reserve Bank of India is situated in Mumbai since 1937. Initially, the ownership of almost all this share capital was in the hand of non-government shareholders. So, in the order to prevent the centralization of the share in few funds, the RBI was nationalized on January 1, 1949. The primary objective of Reserve Bank of India are to supervise and undertake initiatives for the financial sector consisting of commercial bank, financial institution, and non-banking financial companies. The Reserve Bank of India acts as a regulator and supervisor of overall financial system, inject public confidence into the national financial system, protects interest rates, and provide positive banking alternative to the public. Function of Reserve Bank of India. First function of Reserve Bank of India is issue of notes. The Reserve Bank of India has a monopoly for printing the currency notes in the country. It has the sole right to issue currency notes of various denominations except 1 rupee notes. 1 rupee notes issued by Government of India as signature by the Ministry of Finance, Secretary of Ministry of Finance. The Reserve Bank has adopted the minimum reserve system for issuing or printing the currency notes since 1957. It maintained gold and foreign exchange of 200 crore of each, which at least 115 crore should be gold and remaining in foreign liquid currency. That means the recent time in today words, gold is must liquid currency. That means the should be reserved in golds, dollars. Next function is banker to the government. The second important function of Reserve Bank is to act as the banker, agent and advisor to the government of India and states. It performs all the banking function of the state and central government, and it is also tenders huge advice to the government on matter related to economic and monetary policy. It also manage of the public debt of the governments. Banker bank. The Reserve Bank perform the same function for other commercial bank as the banks ordinarily perform for their customers, RBI lent money to all the commercial banks of the country. Controller of the credit. The RBI undertake the responsibility of controlling credit created by commercial bank. Reserve Bank of India uses two methods to control the extra flow of money in the economy. These methods are quantitative and qualitative technique to control and regulate the credit flow in the economy of the country. When Reserve Bank of India observed that the country has sufficient money supply and it may cause an inflationary situation in the country, then it sequesters the money supply through its tight monetary policy and vice versa. Next, custodian of foreign reserves. For the purpose of keeping the foreign exchange rate stable, the Reserve Bank buy and sell foreign currency and also protect the country foreign exchange fund. Reserve Bank of India sell and foreign exchange currency in foreign exchange market when its supply decreases in the economy and vice versa. And next function of Reserve Bank of India is promotional and development function. Apart from these traditional functions, the Reserve Bank of India perform various activities of promotional and development nature. It attempt to mobilize saving for protective purpose. Thank you.